I believe, is this the case that where he was sentenced by Judge DeSanto and then there was some issue and he moved to disqualifier? Is that it?
Yes, sir.
Why you showing up like that? You got a dirty shirt.
I came in from work.
All right, fair enough. All right, so Ms. Shine, he pled guilty. I need to find the probation violation. It looks like he pled guilty to count 1, positive for alcohol, on February 17. Count 2, positive for alcohol on March 18. And he pled not guilty as to count 3, that the test result was diluted. So I can do one of two things. I could probably swear you in and we can have a hearing on count 3, unless he's willing to change his plea. Or I could just go ahead and sentence him on the 2-count violation. What was?
He wasn't actually contesting count 3. The court entered the not guilty plea. And what we'd indicated to the court at the time was he wasn't really clear on what a dilute sample meant.
Did you talk to him about it
I
now?
have talked to him about it, and he acknowledges that he likely drank too much water before that test.
All right, so do you want to plead guilty? Does he want to plead guilty to that?
That's fine.
Do you want to plead guilty to that?
Sure.
If you plead guilty now, you've got at least 3 technical violations. Does he have any more violations on this case, Ms. Shine?
He actually just tested, his last test, April 15th was dilute too, so. and
Say that again?
His last test, April 15th, was diluted too.
If you plead guilty here to dilute sample, sir, on April 1, I want you to understand that that would be another technical violation. And you could be incarcerated for up to 15 days. Do you understand that?
You're sure that thumbnail?
Hang on. May what?
So I work outside.
I don't want to hear about it.
I drink
I don't want to hear about it. I don't want to hear about it. If you don't want to plead guilty, we'll have a hearing. You can't, I don't want to hear this. Come on. Do I look like I'm 9? I mean, seriously, we're talking about time periods back in March. Was it that hot? How hot was it on March the 31 and 30? You know? I don't want to hear it. Tell somebody else this. Go tell your lawyer, tell your mother, tell whoever you want. I don't want to hear it. If you want to have a hearing, I'll swear Ms. Shine to an oath and we'll have a hearing. And you can tell me all day long how hard you work and how hot it is and how thirsty you get. But if you're telling, your lawyer just got done telling me you're pleading guilty, you don't have to do that. You don't have to do that. This United States, we can have a hearing. I have no problem. You want to have a hearing?
No,
Are you sure? Hang on a second. Keep your voice up. If you want to have a hearing, I'm going to give you one. But your lawyer just told me you're pleading guilty. Now she tells me you were dilute on another sample. I don't have any problem. We'll go to a hearing. If that's what you want to do, I don't have any problem, but I don't want to hear from your lawyer he's pleading guilty and then start hearing you tell me how hard you work and how hot it is and how much water you have to drink. What do you want to do? You want to talk to your lawyer further?
You're sure.
Ms. Shine, just unmute and I'll recall this case, okay?
Okay.
Thank you. People against,